Today, I am reviewing HP 2025 14-inch everyday laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact, powerful, and reliable laptop for students, professionals, or anyone who needs a dependable daily driver, the HP 2025 14-inch everyday laptop might just be your perfect match. This laptop is designed with efficiency, portability, and modern features in mind, offering an excellent combination of performance, storage, and display in a sleek, lightweight package. First, let's talk about performance. At the heart of this laptop is the Intel N150 quad-core processor, offering 4 cores and 4 threads with a max boost frequency of 3.6 GHz. This means you can smoothly handle everyday computing tasks like web browsing, video calls, document editing, and even light content creation without lag. The 16GB DDR4 RAM ensures multitasking is a breeze, allowing you to run multiple applications and browser tabs simultaneously without slowing down your workflow. For storage, this laptop comes with 128GB UFS internal storage, which is fast and responsive, and an additional 256GB SD card, giving you plenty of space for documents, multimedia files, and even some light gaming or content libraries. Moving on to the display, the HP 14-inch laptop features a micro-edge HD display with BrightView technology. With a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, this screen delivers crisp visuals with vibrant colors, ideal for streaming, online learning, and office work. HP has also included a 720p True Vision HD webcam with dual-array microphones, which provides clear video and audio for online meetings or virtual classes. Combined with HD audio speakers, your video calls and entertainment will be clear, immersive, and professional. Portability is another major highlight. Weighing just 3.24 pounds and only 0.71 inches thick, this laptop is easy to carry around campus, office, or even while traveling. The long-lasting battery provides up to 11.5 hours of uninterrupted use, and with HP Fast Charge, you can recharge up to 50% in just 45 minutes. This ensures you stay productive throughout the day without being tethered to an outlet. For connectivity, this HP laptop is well equipped. It comes with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and a dedicated SD card slot, giving you flexible options to connect peripherals, external storage, or project your screen to larger displays. Notably, HP has also designed this laptop with sustainability in mind. It is EPA Gold certified, Climate Plus registered, and Energy Star compliant, built from sustainable post-consumer recycled plastics. The HP 2025 14-inch everyday laptop also includes the AI Copilot feature, which enhances productivity by assisting with tasks, offering smarter workflow suggestions, and improving your overall efficiency. Alongside Windows 11 Pro, this ensures a secure, intuitive, and modern computing experience for both business and education use. In terms of usability, this laptop is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. Its anti-glare display reduces eye strain during long sessions, and the responsive touchpad and multimedia keyboard make navigation easy. Whether you're a student taking online courses, a professional handling office tasks, or a content creator needing a compact yet reliable machine, this HP laptop is a solid choice. To summarize, the HP 2025 14-inch everyday laptop is a perfect blend of performance, portability, and smart features. It delivers fast processing with the Intel N150 processor, ample 16GB RAM, and combined 384GB storage, crisp visuals on the HD touchscreen, excellent connectivity, and a long-lasting, fast-charging battery. With added AI features, lightweight design, and sustainability focus, it's an ideal solution for modern students and professionals looking for an affordable yet high-performing everyday laptop. If you need a laptop that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, handle multitasking, support virtual learning, or even light content creation, the HP 2025 14-inch everyday laptop is certainly worth considering. Its combination of speed, storage, display quality, and portability makes it a top choice for anyone who values efficiency and reliability in a compact design.